Hello YouTube, this is my, says it all, belt disc sander. I got it out of the box. This piece was bent. This is your tracking adjustment. That's a pretty strong spring. That has to push this belt in and out, because when you move this roller at an angle back and forth, it shows how the belt tracks. I'll try to get it on camera with it running, but anyway, I straightened it up, right? Put the spring and everything back in there. Just fired it up. The thing bent, went back. Okay, bent back again. So I took it apart, bent it back one more time, broke and fell off. So it's welded. I will take some close-up shots. I MIG welded that. And then I also had to grind it a little bit because it fits in this slot. Because see, this is bigger than the actual piece. It sets out here. Thing's self-explanatory. So I'll take a couple pictures of that. We'll pause here and we'll fire it up so you can see how it runs, and I'll try to show you with the shaky cam how this tracking works for those you're not familiar with it. So just hang in there. This won't be a roll-on video. I'll probably be more pictures than me talking. Okay, it's kind of noisy, but this is how your tracking works. See how the belt's coming over towards me? See how it's going away? It's like an old antique 8-track player. You can adjust the head of it, you track, because 8-tracks had 2 channels per track, so 4-track, 2 channels. So I understand what tracking means. Cassette player. You had a track adjuster on the head of it. See that move? Now it's kind of permanently off at the back. If you look down there, it's more gap on the right side than the front side. Well, it's camera trap. They ain't gonna be able to do nothing about that. That's just how they made the roller. Bring her back again. It's a noisy thing, but oh well. Okay, we'll start it off. We'll show you what it looks like on this adjuster underneath. Okay, just for those of you who are bored, this is your adjuster. There's the lever, see? And you crank it that way, which is hard to do with one hand almost, for me, old guy like me. So when I put this back together, I had to squeeze this down my hand and get the screw in there. I could not get a C-clamp to squeeze these, it bent everything. I had to push down with one hand, get the screw in the bracket one hand, and put it in. It was a, you know what, pain in the, you know where. This little sleeve's like probably a wear protector, but there, you get the idea how that works. I'll take a picture of that. Okay, we thought we'd extend the video. Don't ask me how this goes on. Okay, I know how it goes on. Yeah. This is your guard underneath. This is a so-called dust vacuum port. If you can watch other videos on YouTube. I'm not putting this on here. You gotta take this off to change the belt. Okay? You get what I mean. I'm gonna be changing belts enough, so. Whoops, I lost that. Anyway, let's go back here with the shaky cam. This thing goes on the back. Look how many screws goes on this. And it even screws that guard down there. That's not going on here. So, anyone wants to criticize me? We're not using that. We are using one thing though. This goes on here before you put your disc on. And the bottom has this bottom dust collector with a half-inch hole. I'm not putting this on there. But I'm putting this on the machine first, because I don't want to be over here working and hit the back of this disc. And with this sticking on there. See what I mean? Shaky cam. I don't want to be over here working and hit that. So this is going to be on there. Okay? We are going to. And there's a hole. That's for your long Allen wrench to tighten a screw on there. So it might be a little tricky. There's a flat spot on the shaft there. So that's how the disc sander goes on here. There's a flat spot. In fact, there it is, I think, if you can see it. There you go. Okay, that's enough. I just thought I'd show the problem here. Why lie? Why cover it up? So I'll take close up, and I have some of the pictures where it was broke. So, here, why lie? Show it. It came out of the box, it was broke. But that's the only thing wrong with it. I did buy the year warranty for 20 bucks. I'm not going to buy a 2-year warranty on a $60 tool. I saved 20 bucks buying it. I used that to buy the warranty. So, thanks for watching.